The waves roll slow at Betka's mouth, where the waters twine. River and ocean meet divine. A turquoise waltz, a golden shore. Nature whispers calling for more. Let the tides take my soul where the green-fringed rivers roll. With a gentle breeze, a heart takes flight. In Betkas' arms I'll dream tonight. Under the summer sun's sweet glow, families gather, their joys overflow. Children's laughter, a melody of gleam, ripples weaving through a shared dream. Let the tides take my soul where the green-fringed rivers roll. With a gentle breeze, a heart takes flight. In Betkas' arms I'll dream tonight. All cursed in shade, their journeys pause, while curious souls roam nature's applause. A winding river, green and wide, carries whispers of the earth's time. The sun dips low, the horizon glows, golden hues where the ocean flows. In Betkas' arms, the world feels still, a timeless dance, a lover's will. Let the tides take my soul where the green-fringed rivers roll. With a gentle breeze, a heart takes flight. In Betkas' arms I'll dream tonight. Betka's beauty wild and true. In every wave I think of you.